Dear friends, welcome to Postal Export Guru channel. In today's video, we will learn about the new changes in customs regulations for the shipping destined to USA. Friends, there are certain changes in US customs regulations effecting from 24th July 2026. So let us see what are the new changes. I will discuss all the changes one by one. So the new changes are use of US HTS for the shipping of for USA. So let's understand this HS system. The HS code system is developed by World Customs Organization. In this system, WCO has given 6-digit code, unique code for each and every goods or services. However, the country has the autonomy to expand this HS code digit up to 14 digit. So some countries are using 10-digit HS code, some countries are using 12 digit, some are using 8 digit, and however the first 6 digit for a goods is same as per WCO coding. So the country is expanding the digit in HS code as per their requirements and their own logic. So Indian customs are using 8-digit HS code, which is known as ITC HS code, where US customs is using 10-digit HS code, which is known as HTS US. So from 24th July 2026 onwards, US customs will accept only this 10-digit HTS US code for every goods. So unless 10-digit HS code for a goods is provided to US customs, it will not cleared by US customs. Therefore, India Post is currently working on development of system for accepting 10-digit HS code. Friends, for the purpose of IGST refund or other export benefits like drawback, RODTAP, ROSTEL, PBE purpose, the 8-digit HS code is required. Therefore, while booking the shipment for USA, you need to use 8-digit HS code as well as 10-digit HS code. This 8-digit HS code will be used by Indian customs for various purposes like clearance and other activities, while this 10-digit HTS US shall be used by US customs. Meanwhile, in order for the continuity of the booking of the shipments, in order to non-hindrance of transportation of your shipments, India Post has decided to convert the 8-digit HS code given by you into 10-digit HS code from backend and then present the shipment before US customs. For this purpose, there is a provision in the software where you have to agree that India Post can convert the 8 digit HS code into 10-digit HS code and then present it to US Customs. For the customer who are booking their shipment through manual filing or PBE or booking at counters, they need to give this declaration manually. So this is the interim arrangement, and from 27th onwards, that is from Monday, you will enter 8 digit and 10 digit HS code in the system. Dear friends, as of now, the duty is calculated as per FOB value and it is flat rate. Earlier it was 50%, then reduced to 15%, and then again 10%. So you are the witness that the flat duty rates is decreased from 50% to 15% and further 10%. So this flat rate duty system is closed with effect from 24th July 2026. Now the duty is calculated based on the HS code and FOB both. So whatever be the duty applicable as per the HS code and FOB value, that will be applicable on the booking of the US shipments. So this is the second change. In addition to the above changes, you need to provide some data, some additional data like country of melt, country of smelt, country of cast. Then if your product is specific for anti-dumping duty or a special duty range or countervailing duty etc. If your shipment is required for the registration and licensing in US, if there is such regulations as per the US regulations for the import purpose, if some registration is required in USA, then exporter has to provide this registration number, this license number at the time of booking. So this is the third change. And now there is a regulatory change that all this custom data has to be produced before CBP through CBP licensed customs broker. So India Post has also engaged customs CBP licensed customs broker who will file the data, who will file all the shipment, who will present all the data of your shipments before US customs. So dear friends, now data is very important. So while entering the data, while booking the shipment, you please be careful that data should be correct and proper. For descriptions, I just suggest that provide the proper descriptions. The generic descriptions or multiple items in same line item may create confusion and you will not get the proper HS code. That is, if you are mentioning tea, coffee, books, t-shirt in one line, then you cannot get the proper HS code, because for every product you need to provide a unique HS code. So in each line item you have to mention only one type of products if you are sending multiple items in one package. Dear friends, you have to declare proper FOB, proper descriptions, proper HS codes, and all the details which is required for the clearance by US Customs. So I hope this video is useful for you. Please share this video among other exporters or general public so that they may aware about the changes of the new regulations, new customs regulations for the shipment meant for USA. Please like and subscribe this video so that you can get the notification of my next video on similar important subject. Thanks for watching this video.